Hello world, this is Jack from Lightning ASIC team. Tonight we are proudly launched the first Lightning ASIC 30 MHz script miner blade based on the Inosilicon A2 chipset. There is 2 PCBA and controlled by Raspberry Pi controller. Let's take a look at the control cursor speed. 2 blades, 29.5 MHz. Thank you, great Lightning ASIC team member. Great jobs. Great works. Thanks a lot.